Hello guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you the concept of optional parameters. So here we have a very simple method called add, which is public static and returns integer, taking in two parameters, integer x, integer y, and returning the sum of it. So inside of the main method I am invoking the add static method for given parameters 1 and 2, and I am displaying the result inside of the console window. Obviously the result is going to be free. Now let's introduce the optional parameters. Let's say that for some kind of reason we want to initialize the second parameter with the value of 1 by default. This is the syntax for the optional parameters. We are using the equals and we are assigning the default value. Right now nothing will change because we have provided both of these values. So the result will be free again. But what would happen if I haven't provided the second parameter? So I am invoking the add method using only the first parameter. The second is by default 1, so I don't need to provide it. And right now the result of invoking this method will be 2, because we are using the provided 1 for the x and the default value of 1 for the y, and the result is x plus y, so it will be 1 plus 1, 2. And that's basically the whole concept of optional parameters. We can, for example, have many of them. So for example, integer z, and we are assigning the default value of 2, for example, so there can be many of them, and by using them we can invoke the method without providing all of the parameters. In that way we can use the default ones in many places in our program, which is making it a little bit easier, because we don't have to provide all the parameters all the time, which is important, especially if you have many parameters and there are only few of them which you are using in most of these scenarios, and the rest is usually used with given default values which we can assign as default. So I hope that I explained this pretty simple concept to you well, and I hope to see you soon.